Welcome to the channel, people. Today is gonna be a quick one. As you see right here, I have the antifreeze coolant, and I'm just gonna top off my my coolant reservoir tank because it's below the low line. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to pop your hood. It's a Nissan Rogue 2016 to be specific, and we're just gonna go and pop this bad boy open. Once you pop the hood, where's the reservoir? Boom, right there. See how there's no liquid? Liquid's right here. Let me zoom in on that. See the max and min? See where the coolant level is? Right there, below the min. Well, we're gonna fix that. We're gonna top it off. How do I know it's this one? Because in the owner's manual, it tells you the type of specific coolant you want to get in. I know that you can grab one from AutoZone, your local car spot. I like to go to the dealer for certain things like this because ones that you can get from AutoZone or CAP or O'Reilly's or wherever, it can cause corrosion and then become a bigger problem in your lines. And it messes with your engine and stuff like that. And you don't want that unless you got the money. Then by all means, but I just want to make sure that I put in what the car took upon when I purchased it. So we go fill that in. I need both my hands for this one. I'm not that talented. There, that's my funnel. I have the other one in the basement somewhere. And then once you do that, a bird just flew into my car. Anyways, not to digress. You want to then fill it up. And once you fill it up, it should look like this. Granted, you put the correct coolant color in there. If you put a different type of color in there, I'm pretty sure that'll cause a lot of issues that you don't want to deal with. So that's how you top off a coolant reservoir. If you don't want to do it yourself, which is the least pricey option, then you can take it to somebody, take it to a mechanic. But other than that, this is how you top off your antifreeze coolant reservoir. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions, sound off in the comments. Have a good day.